Hi everyone. In the last video, we have created ChatGPT account successfully. In this video, we are going to discuss about what are the key differences between ChatGPT 3.5 and ChatGPT 4 versions. So before we talk about the differences, let me show the interface to you. So once you log into your ChatGPT account, it looks like this. So you can give all the inputs here and the history, the ChatGPT input history will be saved on the left hand side. Okay, so ChatGPT has two different types of versions. One is 3.5, ChatGPT 3.5, and ChatGPT 4 version. So this is like the free version and this is like the business version. Okay, so ChatGPT 3.5 is free, so users can use the ChatGPT 3.5 version for free. Okay, and ChatGPT 4 is the premium version. We need to pay some money. Usually big enterprises, large businesses, they enroll to this premium version and they're going to use the ChatGPT version. Okay, so I'm going to open a PowerPoint document and I'm going to show the key differences between these two versions. Okay, let me go to the first point. ChatGPT 3.5 and ChatGPT 4 are both large language models developed by OpenAI, but there are some key differences between the two. As I have just discussed, ChatGPT 3.5 and ChatGPT 4 are the language models developed by OpenAI. OpenAI is the name of the organization, but there are some key differences that we will find out now. The first one is memory. ChatGPT 3.5 has a short-term memory of around 8,000 words, while ChatGPT 4 has a short-term memory of around 64,000 words. This means that ChatGPT 4 can remember more information from previous conversations, which can help it to generate more coherent and informative responses. So let me go back to the ChatGPT tool once again. So what it is saying is GPT 3.5, if you use GPT 3.5, let's say I'm going to give an input. Okay, what is the key role of Citrix administrator in the IT industry? Okay, and I'm going to hit enter. So we have given the input and we are waiting for the output. Okay, if you see now, it is giving all the details. Okay, it is going to fetch the details from the internet. Okay, it is going to fetch the details from the internet and it is going to give the most accurate information. So it says the key role of a Citrix administrator in the IT industry is to manage and maintain Citrix infrastructure and applications to ensure efficient and reliable delivery of virtualized desktops. So it is going to give the output in ChatGPT 3.5 version. It can give only 8,000 words. It can give only 8,000 words. But if you use ChatGPT 4 version, which is the premium version, it is going to give 64,000. If you see here, it says it is going to give 64,000. So large businesses, if they want to get better output and they want to give more information, they want to fetch a lot of information, maybe they have a lot of requirement to input more data to get the output. So in those scenarios, people can use ChatGPT 4. Okay, ChatGPT 4. Now let's go to the next point. Okay, multilingual capabilities. ChatGPT 3.5 is only capable of generating text in English, while ChatGPT 4 can generate text in 25 different languages. This makes ChatGPT 4 more versatile and can be used for a wide range of applications. So if you use ChatGPT 3.5, it is only capable of generating text in English. Only in English it can understand. Okay, but if you use ChatGPT 4, it can generate text in 25 different languages. So if someone knows German or French or Italian or Mandarin, whatever it is, if that language is applicable in ChatGPT 4, They can use their mother tongue, they can use their local language to use artificial intelligence ChatGPT tool. Okay, and the last point is, okay, and the next point is steerability. ChatGPT 3.5 is not very steerable, meaning that it is difficult to control its responses. ChatGPT 4, on the other hand, is more steerable, meaning that you can give it instructions on how to generate text. This can be useful for tasks such as generating creative text formats like poems, code, scripts, musical pieces, email, letters, etc. So ChatGPT 3.5, it is not very steerable. So it is it is not so very easy to control the responses. But if you use ChatGPT 4, you can generate different types of creative formats. It can be poems, it can be software code, it can be scripts, it can be musical pieces, especially artists like musicians. If they want to generate a musical file, they can easily do it using ChatGPT 4. Okay, you can also get emails as well. You can also generate emails, nice emails as well, and you can also generate letters. So there are many other things. So these are some key things that we can get using ChatGPT 4. It is much better than ChatGPT 3.5 version. So let's go to the next point. The next point is image understanding. ChatGPT 3.5 can only understand text, while ChatGPT 4 can understand images. This means that ChatGPT 4 can generate text based on images, which can be used for tasks such as generating recipes based on photos of ingredients or explaining why memes are funny. So, with ChatGPT 3.5 version, it can understand only text. If you input text information, it is going to give text output. Okay, but if you use ChatGPT 4, which is the premium version, you can also upload images. You can also upload images, and once you upload the image, you will get the output which has the text in it. So let's say there is an image, you're uploading an image, and it has a lot of text in it. So what happens is, once you upload that image in ChatGPT 4, it is going to generate the text based on the images that you have uploaded on the tool. So this can be very useful for tasks such as generating recipes for based on photos of ingredients. Okay, so this is a very important feature that we have in ChatGPT 4. Now let's go to the next point. Okay, it says ChatGPT 4 is a significant improvement over ChatGPT 3.5. It has a longer memory, better multilingual capabilities, more steerability, and the ability to understand images. These improvements can make ChatGPT 4 a more powerful and versatile LLM that can be used for a wide range of applications. So businesses can enroll in ChatGPT 4 because it has a lot of features that they can use for the business purposes. So they can use this ChatGPT 4 version. So let me go back to the tool once again. So this is the free plan, which is 3.5. Access to our GPT 3.5 model, standard response speed, regular model updates. Standard response speed is like the response may not be so fast, but you will get the response, but it may not be quite fast. But ChatGPT Plus is like they have high-end machines in the background over the back end, so the responses will be quite high. So it is $20 per month. So big businesses who are into finance, insurance, reinsurance, manufacturing, all these big industries will use ChatGPT Plus so that their employees who are into artificial intelligence, will get the account and they will start getting the information, for the better purpose of the business. Okay, so in this video, I just wanted to show the key differences between 3.5 and 4. So I really hope you find this information helpful. Thank you for watching. I will catch you in the next video. Bye bye.